Hi guys, so welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is CrissyBEA, and if you're a returning subscriber, hi, nice to see you again. So you can probably tell what this video is about. Yes, it is about my take on the whole bird box makeup look type of thing. I know that Nikki Tutorial did one and she did like a whole bird. I can't be drawing a bird, like I don't know how to do that. So based on the picture that I saw on Instagram, I came up with my own version. So it's kind of like a glam take on this bird box type of makeup look and everything like that. I'm gonna be showing you how I created this makeup look, because I also did it on this side, but the only difference is I didn't put the lashes on. If you want to find out how I created this and everything, make sure you carry on watching. But before we move on to the actual video, just subscribe to my channel. I know you've been watching my videos and you like them and everything, so you might as well just subscribe to the channel. The button's right there. Once you hit subscribe, hit that notification bell and you'll be notified as soon as I post new videos. So let's just get on to the video.
Lucid and suicidal, chemicals gone viral. My friends are going out their minds. Blindfold tonic can't hurt you. The birds will now guide you. Just please don't open up your eyes. A hidden ray that's slowly spreading. It'll seize your face within a second. If you let it in, there's no escaping. Indulging pain, you just can't help it. No, don't let it in your eyes. Cover up and stay inside. Got you screaming like no, then saying yes, yes, yes. You'll be dreaming till you're deaf. Lucid and suicidal, chemicals gone viral. My friends are going out their mind. Blindfold tonic can't hurt you. The birds will now guide you. Just please don't open up your eyes. Knock on the door, can we trust it? She might be infected. My people say don't you fucking dare, cause she might have gone psycho, a little bit psycho. Just please don't open up your eyes. This craziness, we need a mission. You drive your car with zero vision. When she beeps, you know there's something. Everlasting screams, and just can't face it. No, don't let him in our sights. Pull the door and stay inside. Got you screaming like no, then saying yes, yes, yes. You'll be dreaming till you're dead. Lucid and suicidal, chemicals gone viral. My friends are going out their mind. Blindfold tonic can't hurt you. The birds will now guide you. Just please don't open up your eyes. Knock on the door, can we trust it? She might be infected. My people say don't you fucking dare, cause she might have gone psycho, a little bit psycho. Just please don't open up your eyes. Boy, don't you see, you'll make it through. Girl, don't pretend your mama always loved you. Delusional, living with pain, but don't pretend that you don't feel the same. Lucid and suicidal, chemicals gone viral. My friends are going out their mind. Blindfold tonic can't hurt you. The sounds will now guide you. Just please don't open up your eyes. Knock on the door, can we trust it? She might be infected. My people say don't you fucking dare, cause she might have gone psycho, a little bit psycho. Just please don't open up your eyes. Lucid and suicidal, chemicals gone viral. My friends are going out their minds. Blindfold tonic can't hurt you. The birds will now guide you. Just please don't open up your eyes. A hidden ray that's slowly spreading. It'll seize your face within a second. If you let it in, there's no escaping. Indulging pain, you just can't help it. No, don't let it in your eyes. Cover up and stay inside. Got you screaming like no, then saying yes, yes, yes. You'll be dreaming till you're deaf. Ooh, might be infected. My people say don't you fucking dare, cause she might have got psycho, a little bit psycho. Just please don't open up your eyes. This craziness, we need a mission. You drive your car with zero vision. When she beeps, you know there's something. Everlasting screams, and just can't face it. No, don't let him in our sight. Pull the door and stay inside. Got you screaming like no, and saying yes, yes, yes. You'll be dreaming till you're dead. Lucid and suicidal, chemicals gone viral. My friends are going off their mind. Blindfolds on, it can't hurt you. The birds will now guide you. Just please don't open up your eyes. Knock on the door, can we trust it? She might be infected. My people say don't you fucking dare, cause she might have got psycho, a little bit psycho. Just please don't open up your eyes. Boy, don't you see, we'll make it through. Girl, don't pretend your mama always love you. Illusion.
Okay guys, so this is the end of the look. This is what I came up with. As you can see, I did both of the eyes, but this eye is covered up. This is my take on the whole Bird Box makeup look and everything like that. Yeah, so what do you guys think? Make sure if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Lucid and suicidal, chemicals gone viral. My friends are